Hello, I'm Peter Valentino. I'm an actor, an acting instructor, a director, producer, a writer. I do many things. And I'm from Hollywood. I've lived there for many years, had a studio there. I've had a couple theaters in California, Hollywood, and in Nevada, Las Vegas, Nevada. And I'm in Moscow now because I want to work with Russian actors. People often ask me, well, why did you come to Russia? And what do you like about Moscow? Well, Moscow is my favorite city. I think it's the most creative city in the world. Certainly it's the center of theater in the world. And Moscow is also the home of Stanislavski. Stanislavski is very important to us in the US because one of his books was translated into English years ago. And that book is practically the Bible of acting in both the United States and in London, and it's really part of our system. So when I discovered Stanislavski and that he was the center of acting, I really had to come here to Moscow to explore that a little more deeply. So I've been here many months, almost a year now, and I've gone to several theatrical productions. I've learned a lot from watching that, and I'm bringing the Hollywood style of acting in films that I've studied so much and taught so much in Hollywood to Moscow. I want to work with Russian actors to introduce them to the Hollywood style of acting, how to act in films, how to be accepted in Hollywood, how to do auditions, how to work within that system, because it's a completely different system that we have in Hollywood. It's based on the individual, it's not based on the system. We bring out the individual, we strengthen the individual. And one of the main things about acting, and the reason I got into it in the first place, is because of courage. Acting will make you more courageous. In any walk of life, you're going to benefit from acting. And when I work with professionals or beginners, it doesn't matter. I'll make them stronger. Even if you've had a 4-year degree in Russia, if you come to me, I'll make you stronger and able to work within the US system. As I say, even though we are dependent on the Stanislavski approach, at the beginning we've changed it a certain amount, and you need to be introduced to that. You need to understand how it works, how to work as an individual, how to find that acting in yourself. We also work with improvisation, which is certainly a US-based style. And I have many years of experience working in improvisation, shooting actors, making demos, making films, directing stage plays. I directed a play in Moscow with 13 Russian actors. And every actor that I come across, everyone who comes to me becomes much stronger through working with me. That's not my ego speaking, it's just my experience. I know that any actor, every actor, can benefit from working with me and understanding my approach. I'm looking forward to working with you in my master classes, my courses, online or live. And if you are disciplined and if you want to work hard and learn more English to get to this kind of Hollywood style where you will feel strong on camera, on set, on stage, it's all the same thing. I direct and teach from the same perspective, and I want to work with Russian actors. I'm very grateful to be here. I'm very grateful to Russia and to Russians, and I hope you will come and work with me. Thanks, I'm Peter Valentino.